So if you are a pixel lover and you want to try out some pixel based custom ROMs right now while making this video, there are many custom ROMs available based on pixel. If you remember Pixel Extended, Pixel Plus UI, those custom ROMs including Pixel Experience, those are dead, but new pixel based custom ROMs are coming definitely. So yes, those are worthy to check out. Now we have PixelStar and I made a video already on the previous versions, but in this case it's now updated and let's have a quick look at some of the changes here. Firstly, if you are able to notice some customizations, a lot of customizations are actually present, but these are just the UI things. It is not having major customizations. If you need customizations, then you can try out any other custom ROM. There are many options available for you, including Project Matrix, including Project Infinity, Everest OS, and of course, we have a lot more extra options available for you. This custom ROM, this new update brings you new font picker. In my personal opinion, this kind of font picker is quite improved and it's good as compared to the normal one which you have available in most of the custom ROMs, and you will find it very easily. Here in this case, applying custom fonts with the preview is so good. Although I found the preview is not working in most of the cases. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. The thing which I personally loved about this one is this blurred recents panel, especially if you are using that particular app. For example, if I'm using this app, if I open recents panel, the app will be blurred. For example, I just opened this. If I go to the recents panel, you can see the app which I'm using right now is now blurred in recents panel section, and it is not any other launcher, it's Pixel launcher. So in my personal opinion, this is actually a unique thing, and I guess other custom ROMs should apply this. It's personal, in my personal opinion, it's looking so good. Moving on to the other options regarding some miscellaneous things. For example, unlimited screen record, which was expected, it's present there. The ignore Windows secure flags option, which was also expected, it's there too. So most of the features, most of the common features right now in some custom ROMs are already present in this case too. Although because we are talking about pixel based custom ROM, so this is what we have quick tap to start actions, and it's available, it's working fine. What this does, it's simply quick tap on your device back, double tap, and basically you can do some actions. For example, take screenshot, access your digital assistant, or see the recents app, and even you can open some activities directly from the particular app. For example, in Chrome, by double tapping on the back side of my device, I can directly open the incognito tab, and that's really impressive. Other than else, one of the main features definitely is circle to search. Right now while making this video, a lot of custom ROMs are actually giving you the circle to search, and yes, that is working perfectly fine, and same thing applies to in this custom ROM too. The circle to search is here, it's working fine. The requirements are you just have to download the latest updated Google app from the Google Play Store, and else everything is just similar here. Because it's a pixel based custom ROM, so no doubt you have the pixel launcher pre-installed. That's a very good thing that you have the pixel launcher available. By the way, if you want to change it, you can do so with the help of a Magic module or any other module too. Quick settings panel is in dark mode, which was expected. You can change the styles very easily with the help of some custom mods. Moving on to the wallpapers section here. In the wallpaper section, sometimes you will face some delays like right now. And this is quite common in most of the custom ROMs. I found after some time, then you will see these options are available, which means AI wallpaper, which is available there, which is working fine. It was expected. All the pixel goodies, including Google Photos, unlimited storage, the circle to search option, and a lot more things. Everything is available, everything is working. A good thing, don't miss it out. If you need a pixel based custom ROM with few of the customizations, now we have a lot of extra options available. For example, in this case, I'm taking PixelStar OS as an example. Yesterday I made a video on Pixel Project. That was actually an alternative for Pixel Experience custom ROM. We already have Pixel OS and we have a lot of other pixel based custom ROMs. So yes, quite exciting that we have a lot of pixel based custom ROMs available. So more choices. It depends which kind of things you need, what kind of custom ROM best suits for your device. You can choose according to that. Some of these wallpapers are good. You can apply them on your device, and definitely AI wallpapers are worthy to check out. Most of the things are kind of similar in most of these pixel based custom ROMs. If you take a look at some other customizations, as I just mentioned at the starting of the video already, it's not a customization focused custom ROM. It brings you some useful things, like we have some options related to lock screen. We also have some options related to status bar options. The basic options, status bar icon manager, the options related to clocks, and also some quick settings options like to enable the option data usage directly on your quick settings panel. No major customizations, but still good enough for you to use on a device as a daily driver. These were the things I just wanted to let you know in case you want to try it out. Link is definitely available in the description. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, and also if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting custom ROM videos, and of course a lot of updated custom ROMs are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.